Hey, good evening, folks. This is another daily review video for S Group, video number 89 here. Moving right along here, if you guys checked out my bonus, and so actually some bonuses came in here. Got our daily deposit today, 0.64%. I made $108.24, guys, and I made a referral bonus. Somebody from my team, their investment ran its course, so the earnings reinvested. So I made 9% on that, which is $30.07. So as you see, guys, I made like $138. Yeah, $138 today, and yeah, guys, S Group is really moving along. So as you can see, in 2 days, today's Tuesday, and this is out of Monday and Tuesday, so I made about $215 out of 2 days, guys, on my investment. So getting close to 23,000, as you see, in my principal. So that's growing. Get closer and closer, guys, to the $25,000 mark, which is right here. Once I reach that, I will be bumped up to the next tier, which is 80% of the share I'll be earning, and they'll be getting 20%. Right now I'm at 75%. So things are moving along, guys. I'm thinking another couple months or so, 2-3 months, I'll be up to 25,000. So I'm enjoying the money as time goes on here, guys. For a while I was building, I wasn't really taking any money out, but as I mentioned in my previous video, I believe it was, I took out 400 and change, which says right here in the notification bell, I think. Yeah, there we go. Withdrew $408.86. You see the withdrawal was approved. And yeah, guys, I enjoyed that. And then I reinvested the rest, which was like $250, I believe, which says down here in my back office. There we go. $250 right here. So that's the money I reinvested on Friday. You see the duration of the two investments reset back to zero. So this is day 4 because that was Friday. Today's Tuesday. And yeah, guys, that's the results of my investment here. Of course, this is all in the Forex market. So if you guys are just stumbling upon this video, you want to get involved with the S Group earning investment opportunity, don't be afraid, guys. Shoot me an email. Ask me some questions if you have any questions about S Group, how everything works. As you see, my money's invested in the Forex market here. You can also invest in S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis, SIPO, which is their own stocks that they do business with, and Liquidity Mining, which is their own token system. So all these 4 areas, guys, it's all done on autopilot for you. They have their own AIs, artificially intelligent bots that does all the trading and money earning for you. So you just have to have your money invested and then just sit back and let it earn for you, basically. With Forex, we actually earn our money at 8 p.m. Central, Monday through Friday. That's when the Forex markets close, the ones that they're investing in, which is the UK markets. And they only operate Monday to Friday, so we don't have any earnings on the weekend. So yeah, guys, that's how it works. I started back in October 2020, and as you guys can clearly see, this is my results. This is the total amount of money I've made since October of 2020. Getting close to 20,000 here, guys. And yeah, pretty big milestone. And this is the principal amount that I'm earning on right now. It's actually my total deposits that you see combined with my monthly income. And that's what the Forex trading amount earns on. So just want to make this 5-minute daily review video, guys, getting towards the end. So yeah, click on the link if you want to sign up, be a part of the S Group team. You can join my team. Sign up link is in the description down below this video, as well as don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. That way you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow my results, see how things are moving along with me and my account. Appreciate you guys checking this video out, and I will see you guys in the next video, which I'll be making probably the next day or two here, trying to make them as frequently as I can. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Take care.